from Labuan Bajo. This is the starting point for all the trips going to Komodo National Park. We got here yesterday and we spent the entire afternoon looking for trips which will take us to the national park. And I gotta tell you, it's quite difficult in this situation as most of the businesses are shut down and you can see most of the boats parked down in the harbor. Luckily, we managed to find someone who's gonna take us to the park and we don't really know what to expect. So, we will discover everything on the go. Yeah, first impressions are very good.
We decided to hire a private boat and take a 2-day trip to Padar Island. We're going to stay overnight on this boat, hit few snorkeling spots and try out our new underwater housing.
We just got to our first snorkeling spot. Let's get ready to go to the water.
It was so amazing. We just swam with 4 huge mantas with some beautiful fish, beautiful corals, and now we're heading to Padar Island where we're going to stay for a night. We spent the whole afternoon at Padar Island. Now it's 7 o'clock in the evening and unfortunately we have to head back to our boat. But tomorrow in the morning we're coming back.
This is where we spend the night. 2 beds for both of us. It's already 4:30 and we're heading off to the beach.
Okay, let's let it go. Good morning guys, it's 6 o'clock and we're already at one of the viewpoints here at Padar Island. We came here so early to see sunrise.
Hello, my name is Marcel. I'm a diving instructor with 10 years experience. I'm organizing private tour to Komodo National Park. I like this place because it's full of life. Like down there, like half meters and even deeper, 5 meters, full of corals. Yeah, soft corals and also hard corals. Let's go in the water. Yeah, see some fish.
This 2-day boat trip was truly amazing. Unfortunately, we could see just small tiny part of Komodo National Park. If you want to see more of it, you have to be ready to spend more time and more money. Traveling here isn't actually cheap. You're going to spend more here than in Bali or Java. So the biggest advice from us is to be ready with your travel plan. You need to know exactly what you want to do here and what islands you want to see. The most common way to get around here is to take 1-day speedboat trip and go by standard travel route. Unfortunately, you will not see or do much, as this trip is really rushed and there is no possibility for real exploring. That's why we decided to hire our private boat, which took us to places we wanted to see. We had really flexible schedule and a lot of freedom of choice, which was very convenient as we had to change our plans few times due to weather and current conditions. And now we're heading to the airport. It's time for our next destination. This trip for sure was one of the best we had so far. We're going to share all the context and the most important information in our blog. Thank you for watching and see you next time!